Hello and welcome to my channel Art AF. So today's video is a very inspiring one. So it is inspired from being free. But no worries, we can still draw. Generally, for a watercolor landscape, it is recommended to use a masking tape so as to get a well-finished border at the end of painting. I had a white tape roll, so I have had cut it into two halves lengthwise. To get a nice flow in the painting, especially in a watercolor painting, always use water before getting into any other colors. Always begin with lighter colors, because if you start your painting with darker colors and you end it with a mistake, then no other color will be able to hide your mistake. But in case you are using the lighter colors, it can be made hidden. Since I made the paper wet at the very beginning with plain water, so all I need to do is to tap few droplets of color pigments and the rest is done by water. It blends automatically. After getting it over with the lighter colors, proceed with the darker colors, that is blue. Meanwhile, our sheet is completely dried and the water has gone completely, and the blue will stop blending with other colors too. To avoid this mistake, take blue with some water and paint it across. The blue has overshadowed the color pink, so to compensate this, I had to repaint pink another time. Now blend the whole piece, the whole art, with the color yellow. It is anchor yellow, or we can say the gamboge hue. Here I have used a hair dryer to dry the paper fast. You can always wait and let it dry naturally as well. Directly go to the description box for more details of what materials and brands I have used. I have incorporated in this painting. Take a clean brush to wipe out the paper scraps which occur during the wet to wet technique. For the buildings, randomly draw rectangles joined together. Here, to add 3D effect, do not fill the hole with black, leave some spaces with light black. Before proceeding for drawing the birds, remember to make the buildings dry, else the black will go all around. The birds farthest are drawn small, so accordingly keep your vision intact and draw the pattern likewise. Remember, if you are a beginner or are a bit underconfident about drawing the birds with brushes, then you can always use a pencil to outline the birds and then paint it and fill it with brushes, or you can also use a sketch pen also. Before taking out the tapes from all the sides, remember to make it dry all around. So there we go, we have completed a basic watercolor painting, a basic watercolor landscape where we have shown the free birds flying all way, all high. Since my channel has started just now and I have been uploading some basic videos of every art form, I'll be continuing this for several videos and then I'll be proceeding to a level higher. So until then, stay tuned.